Hiya Duck. So I've got an issue. I am the most clumsiest person you've probably ever met. It's got to be the ADHD. I'm blaming it on that anyway, 'cause it can't just be my actual fault. Do you know what I mean? So, microbeads drive me insane. Like, I love putting them on designs and everything like that. But I am really, really clumsy. So I could have them in a pot like this. And then I end up knocking them over everywhere. And then I'll end up like I'll be picking them up and I'll be using them with my palmy picker up and I'll be like, right, okay, we'll just use as many as we can off there in the design and I'm like, well, how am I gonna get all them back in this pot? And I'm like, and as you can hear, they all start falling on the floor, rolling away, and it absolutely drives me insane. So I've got a trick for you. This is the lid to the pot. You're going to take a magnet, pop it on top of the pot, on top of the lid to the pot. Yeah? How freaking cool is that? That's so magnetic, that is.
That is very cool.
That's very, very magnetic.
That's why you did it in the lid, I get it.
This is a lot of microbeads. Even if you've got some stray ones, you know, get the magnet on them.
Now I understand why you were doing it inside the lid, yeah.
Look at that, so satisfying. I feel like I might knock them over on purpose now.
Do you feel like you're a superhero and you've got special powers?
Yeah. So Luke, we'll put the lid on.
Cool.
I love it. I think it's like the best trick ever. Like, I'm sorry. Like, oh my God. I just love magnets. Now, I wish I had one of these I could just wave around my house and it would just make it all tidy. I don't think that quite works the same. Another thing I want to show you is I love creating like mixes of crystals. And what I do is I end up putting in loads of microbeads. So I can literally have that little collection sat there and I can pick up whatever I want from my little collection. But then those microbeads will never be able to be used for any other colour collection because they're in there. And do you really think I'm picking those out? Do you really think I'm just going to pick them up and, yeah, individually? No, it's not happening, is it? Ain't nobody got time for that. So what we will do, we can use the same lid and the same technique to catch those microbeads. Let's give it a shake just in case there's any hiding. I think it's amazing. Look at that. What the hell? Magnets are so amazing. Let's try and get it back in here. So it is much easier. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm such a big kid. Stop it, Kirsty. It's supposed to be making a video. But yeah, I think it's easier with them in a pot like this kind of container rather than this kind of container. This is so much easier. But I just had to show you that because it's just genius. I love magnets. I now want a magnet in every single shape, size. But I just thought it was such a cool little thing. I just had to tell you. Do you know how many mixes of crystals and microbeads I have in my home studio? I have got an abundance of them, and I always want some microbeads, and I have to go firking around, try and find some microbeads out of another collection that I've mixed together. So I'm sorry. It's a game changer. Sorry. All the clients are cancelled today. Cancelling all of them because I'm too busy playing with microbeads.